you like McDonald's? Now, I like McDonald's when I was young, right? Right now, I try to lose weight so I cannot eat that as much. But when I was young, I liked McDonald's so much. Like every time I would say, hey, Ma, I want to eat McDonald's, things like that, right? So I remember like I was so fascinated about how McDonald's built a great business. I just want to research the business model. Then I found it's really special, and that's what makes McDonald's great. So if you go to a McDonald's and you can ask them, hey, who is your best cook? Sometimes they cannot give you the answer because at McDonald's, there's no one chef, there's no one cook that will create all the burgers, right? So there's one guy, he grill, there's one guy, he cook, there's one guy, he combine everything together. So when you go to a McDonald's, you will find out that it's more like a factory. It's more like an assembling line. So people assembling the burger, they're not cooking the burger, right? So there's some process. So that's how McDonald's sell burgers without hiring a single cook. And that's the power of system. So if you have a system, you don't need an expert in selling or in marketing, right? Everyone can just work for one part, and that can create the entire system that works for you, right? So when it comes to network marketing, the number one mistake people make is they try to train their downline to become a great salesperson. But guess what? Training a salesperson is the hardest thing in the world because you have to overcome their fear. You want to teach them how to persuade is really hard. So instead of training them into a salesperson, what you should do is you want to make them become part of the system. So what do I mean by that? So when it comes to selling, there are always two parts. The first one is lead generation. Right. So which means you publish content on the internet or you post on the social media and you make people sign up if they got interest, right? So that's lead generation. And the second part is a follow-up. Right. So which means when people sign up, you can follow with them with emails, you can send them some content. So this part is marketing. And this part is selling, right? So as I said, selling is the hardest thing in the world, right? So if you want to train your downline how to sell, you can try, but I always say this is really hard, right? So instead of teaching people how to sell, we teach them how to publish content, how to market, right? So we want to teach them how to generate lead. So when they are bringing to the system, this system will convert their lead for them, right? So that's the power of the system, right? So in marketing, we called this system funnel, right? So this one is called a sales funnel, right? So it's a combination of many pages and some follow-up emails. And if you want to join a network marketing business, you want to find a team that can create this part for you, because funnel creation is another expertise. So you don't even want to do that yourself, right? If you are expert, you can do that and you can hand your funnel over to your team. But most of the time, this one is really hard. And that's the reason why if you are looking for a team, you want to look for someone who can create the funnel for you, right? So that you can just copy their funnel and then use that for your own team. So that's a secret. When you are building your network marketing business, you don't want to teach them how to sell. You don't want to teach them how to build a funnel. You want to create a funnel and hand it to them, right? So that they can work on the easy thing that is lead generation so that they can easily scale your business. So that's it for this video. Build a funnel. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.